Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit. Today we are going to be unboxing a brand new iPhone 13. I'm sure you already know that this is the season for the iPhone 13. I just received mine and we are going to be doing the unboxing. First and foremost, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate the support. And if you guys are not yet subscribed, please go and do so, as this is going to help me a lot. Don't forget also to hit the bell notification icon so you are aware of any new video that I do. Please keep in mind that only 10% of my 10% of people that watch my video are subscribers. So I really encourage everybody to be a subscriber. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Alright, as you can see today, I have iPhone 13 Pro, and this is in the Pacific blue color. Okay, this is the flat model, which means that I have the 128 gigabyte storage one. Okay, but wait, we also have another one, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro as well, in gold. Who does not love gold? Gold is good, right? Anyway, so yeah, I got this in 256 gigabyte, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro as well. So we are going to be going through and do the unboxing for you for the first time on the channel. I know I have been silent for the past few months. Now I'm coming back with a video every week, so don't forget again to subscribe. That will help the channel a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the like button all the time, right? Okay, so let's start. I will start with one of these devices first, then we are going to move to the second one. So I will basically start with this one, and this one, like I said, is the iPhone 13 Pro, and in 128 gigabyte. So we are gonna go around the box and see what is different compared to the previous model. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna change the camera, the angle of the camera, so you guys can see a closer look of the box. Okay, all right, so we are back, and then as you can see, this is the iPhone that I got. This is the iPhone 13 Pro, and this is, like I said before, the Pacific blue in 128 gig. That's the base model, because now most phones they start with that. So we are gonna unbox it for the first time. As you can see, it's sealed. Don't know if you can see, yeah. And in this year, they don't have the plastic bag that is wrapping it. They just have the this paper, so I guess to save the environment. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So we are gonna rip it off for the first time. All right, we're gonna open it, and there we go. It's now opened. And again, for the bottom, we are also gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna open it up here, and that's it. And then we just open it. Now, the moment of truth, we have to lift this up, and there we go. Ta-da! Oh, this is beautiful. Like, this color is just amazing. I don't know if you can see it, but like, honestly, the color here is just phenomenal. It is just pretty, like very pretty. I mean, if you have never used a phone before, what I can tell you right now is the cameras, the looks is very big. I don't know why, but the cameras is very big compared to the last model. It's very big. Yes, it's it's very big. I mean, I don't know if on the camera you can see it, but it's huge. You can really notice. My previous phone at the moment is iPhone 11 Pro, so I did not get the iPhone 12, but I can see that's a big difference. And I was hoping for something blue, like more blue, but this is definitely not blue. I don't know why they call it Pacific blue, but maybe I'm colorblind, but it is not blue at all. Okay, That being said, let's put the phone on the side for the moment and continue. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's so shining, like amazing. This is just phenomenal. See how beautiful this is? It's so shiny. Really. I don't know if it's thicker, but like I said, I did not use iPhone 12 before, so this is beautiful. Okay, let's put this on the side. Let's see what else we have in the box. So as usual, I think since a few years now they do not include any more of the charger, but we do have a cable, which is the USB Type-C connector, and then regular iPhone connector. So this year they did not bring the USB Type-C with the iPhone. This is still the same one, and inside of this we do have few items here. We do have the sticker. Have the sticker and some documents, and that is pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. Now the box is empty. Every single year they remove a lot of stuff from the box. That's it, pretty much it. We do not have anything else, and then we can put that aside and focus now our attention to the iPhone itself. And as you can see, we do have, it's very simple, we do have the vibration. If you want to silence your phone, we do have the button, the switch. We have volume up, volume down. On the other side, we do have the power button, if I could say. On top here we have some antenna line, and at the bottom we have the charging port, I guess microphone, and the speakers. There we go. And as you can see on the paper that comes with the iPhone, we have few signs. So if you have never used an iPhone before, for sure you can definitely look at the sign, and then you know what everything does. Okay, and like I said, this is an iPhone Pro, and that's why we have 3 cameras. We have 1, 2, 3 cameras. We have the flash and the LiDAR sensor. The LiDAR was introduced last year, 2020, on the iPhone, but it has been on the iPad before the iPhone. There we go. All right, and then we are gonna remove the paper for the first time. And like I said, if I remove this phone can never be shiny as it is today. Okay, let's do it. This is so satisfying. Beautiful. All right, and then this is it. It's so beautiful. Like, yeah, very beautiful here. And then as you can see, this is it. Very amazing, very beautiful. All right, let's turn it on for the first time. So to turn on, again, it's regular stuff. We need to press the power button for a few seconds and the phone will automatically turn on. There we go. It's now on. Perfect. Let's wait for it to turn on completely. And as you can see, we have now the new hello when the phone started. There we go. It's amazing. There we go. This is just beautiful. So we can go through the setup process, and we're gonna swipe up. And as you can see, we have the English version. We're gonna choose Canada because we are in Canada. And then if you want, you can just bring another phone next to it, and then it's going to be automatically connected. But for the sake of this video, we are just going to go manually. And obviously, we do need to find a connection, internet connection, to be able to connect with it. So I'm going to quickly connect this, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have the connection. We are going to go to next. And then it's kind of activating the phone. So we're gonna wait a little bit. It takes some time to activate, I guess. And then as I was reading today, it looks like this has a 160 refresh rate, which is better than the previous model. So we can try to do the Face ID. And let me see if I can do this quickly. Actually, we're gonna set this up later, but you know how this is. We also need to set up a passcode. I don't want it for the sake of this video right now. We can also do it later. Don't use passcode. And we can back up, restore, do whatever we want. And again, for this video, we do not. Maybe later on I can show you how to use the new iOS 15 to restore your data, but we don't want to use it at the moment. We can also sign up with our Apple ID, and for the moment, let's not use it. We can set it up later. Don't use. And we can agree to the terms. And then again, we're gonna keep updated. Yeah, we want this to be on. Messaging, continue. Location, okay. We can use series. So let's do Siri here.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Okay, it looks like we have so many voices here.
Hi, I'm Siri.
I have a lady. That's a normal Siri that I know.
You can change.
Hi, I'm Siri.
And the boy.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose. Hi, I'm Siri.
Okay, I like this better.
You'd like me to use.
So I can choose that one.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Okay, nice. I can go next. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Oh. Okay. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, that's it. So Siri is now on, and then I can use Siri for anything I want to. And then now we want to improve. I don't like to share my stuff. And then yeah, we can continue with that. I don't want to share anything to Apple. They can find it themselves. And then you can choose light or dark. I'll just keep it. I normally use dark, but I'll keep it for light for the moment. To continue, we can use standard or zoom, or have a good vision, so I'm going to use standard. And then we are welcome to the iPhone. As you can see, it is just beautiful. Well, if you have an iPhone before, obviously you know what all this is, what all these are. You don't need to do anything else but except from downloading your applications and stuff like that. But this is sick. Okay, and then I can go to this is same settings. And then yeah, this is pretty much it with the unboxing. I just want to show you the size. Actually, you know what, we are going to do that on the next video. We're going to go deeper on the new iPhone 13. We're going to go deeper and see what the difference between this model and the last year model. So that's going to be in another video. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. I will do that shortly and I'll post it. Okay, now in any case, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share with your family and friends, and help me out with the YouTube algorithm, because normally if you press like, then this video can be referred to other people, so other people that want to see this content will also benefit from it. And we are going to do the unboxing of the other iPhone that I showed you at the beginning, the iPhone 13 Pro in gold. And again, this is the one with the Pacific blue. Like I said, the cameras are very huge, like big. This is the iPhone 13. I believe if we came to iPhone 17, maybe the whole back of the phone will be like full of cameras. I mean, I heard a lot of good things about these cameras. It's amazing. And again, we are going to do a full review about the cameras on my next channel. And also, I don't know if you can see it, the notch is a little bit smaller now, and it gives more space on top. Now, I don't know what we can use that space for, but again, we are going to talk about it in the next video. All right, thank you so much, people, for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the brand new iPhone 13. We'll talk about the specs in the next video, and we're gonna do the unboxing of the iPhone 13 in gold in the next video. Okay, thank you so much and have a wonderful day. This is Maxi Limit signing out.